The Aam Aadmi Party has decided to contest at least 350 Lok Sabha seats, and in over 162 cases, the party plans to field candidates against MPs who have criminal cases against them. So the party has launched its national campaign, but does it have the support base to fight the big battle?
भ्रष्टाचार और राजनीति के अपराधीकरण को आम आदमी पार्टी लोकसभा चुनाव में प्रमुख मुद्दा बनाएगी।
Aam Aadmi Party launching its national campaign. They say they will field more than 350 candidates in the upcoming general elections. But sources have told NDTV this could go as high as fighting in 400 Lok Sabha seats. AAP is expected to release the first list of candidates by 7th of February. AAP to fight Lok Sabha polls in 15 to 20 states. AAP to fight all seats in Delhi, Haryana and Gujarat. AAP to also field candidates in Maharashtra, UP, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka.
Aam Aadmi Party's national executive meeting is going on. National Council is the big one. Political aspirants are lining up seeking a ticket to fight these elections. Whether Aam Aadmi Party is going to make a dent is something only time will tell. But the entry of Aam Aadmi Party in these elections has certainly made them a little bit more interesting.
But does the party have the support base to fight the big battle? In Haryana, the party admits they have few supporters in the villages. If numbers were anything to go by, the Aam Aadmi Party's 5-day-long Jhadu Yatra in Gujarat was far from impressive. At the last leg of the Yatra on Thursday, the new entrant to Indian politics could muster a few hundred people in the state capital of Gandhinagar. Most of the AAP rallyists who came from across the state chose to travel the 4-kilometer-long Yatra in their vehicles rather than on foot. Even their rallies in districts and towns did not seem to have enthused the people much. But the AAP maintains voters should see the resolve and not the numerical strength.
अक्सर जहां ज्यादा भीड़ इकट्ठी होती है वहां पर लोग समझ रहे हैं कि ये भीड़ इकट्ठी करने का जो खर्चा हो रहा है वो काले धन से हो रहा है.
People of Gujarat, I would say to their credit, they are very focused. They understand that those fly-by-night operators kind of parties do not deliver, and they have absolutely and firmly stuck to a two-party system, and therefore either Congress or Bharatiya Janata Party.
The AAP may be elated at the crore-plus membership, but in a state where political heavyweights rule and caste politics dominate, making inroads and displaying show of strength could still be a difficult proposition for the party. With Rohit Bhan in Gujarat and Achal Vora in New Delhi, Sanjukta Kar for NDTV.